Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to animate images in CapCut Mobile. First, open up your project, then click on Overlay, then click on Add Overlay, then select and add the image you want to animate. Once you add the image to your project, you can drag and adjust it accordingly. For example, I want to keep my image here. You can also resize it if you want. Then click on this keyframe icon to add a keyframe for the image. Then move the marker of the video a little further and then move your image, which will automatically add a keyframe as you can see here. Keep doing this process depending on how long you want to animate the image. For example, I have done the animation like this. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.